Buongiorno.
Oh my gosh. Renovating a house in Italy has always been a dream.
And now it's our reality.
Are we crazy for taking on a project in another country that we don't speak the language?
Oh, obviously, yes. We're taking on the biggest,
Kenny, it's giant.
oldest,
I'm laying stone in a 300-year-old building.
most ambitious project we've ever tackled. So this is the old stable.
And it's for our friends investing their life savings into this project.
Tuscany, it's the dream.
It's all business, all money.
What were we thinking?
And we do this all the time back home, but it feels like here, we're doing it with 100 obstacles in our way. I can't do this. I don't know what he said.
Oh gosh.
The process, the permitting.
Minimum 3 months.
Months?
We have a problem. Is it bad news? It's not good news.
Doesn't look like, well, anything's been done.
It's pressure at every turn.
But it's pressure that's going to turn this villa
I am freaking out. I don't feel like we should keep going.
into an Italian gem.